Hello, guys. I hope everyone is doing okay. And welcome back to the channel. So, I've got another opportunity to, you know, prepare some meal for my husband again. If you're new here, he's a truck driver. And as I said before in the previous video, the job is not easy, not at all. It's kind of scary, to be honest. But I do try my best to make it easier for him. Um, and the only way I can think about contributing to the job or to his work is, you know, making a meal that can last him a week when he passes by. Cause there's no other way. Like there's literally nothing else I can do. Just nothing. Cause he's on the road and I don't get to see him as much. So guys, tune in and come meal prep with me as usual. Okay, so I've already prepped my ingredients for today. I've got celery, bell peppers, carrots, I got shrimps, sausage, I got eggs. I scrambled them already before I started filming. And per usual, I just season my meats before I put them in a pan. So there is my shrimp seasoned already. I'm gonna be using some pasta today, penny pasta to be specific. And my water looks ready. I boiled my water before I put the pasta in it. And I put a little bit salt in the water before I put my pasta in it. And I put my pasta in it. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna be prepping for the rice, which looks like it's ready in our corner. Yeah, it looks ready. Before I start, I just made myself some tea. It's about 10 a.m. now, and then I didn't eat anything or drink anything since morning. So here's my morning tea or my breakfast tea. Okay, in a pan, I'm gonna put some oil in it. Um, Not too much oil, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, that's enough. And then once the oil is heated up, I'm gonna put some onion in it. Um, I don't know if you noticed, but I usually put onions in it until they turn brown, and then I'm gonna put my meat in, and the meat be seasoned raw. And I put my shrimps in it, and I'm just gonna, mix everything. Make sure the oil gets on every shrimp to get that good taste on everything before I put anything else in there. It looks good already. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my carrots in because they are, the hardest vegetables in my meal prepping, so they can, get done before I put in my peppers and everything else. Now here, put my peppers in, mix everything together. It looks good already. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, now it's time to bring the rice over. Rice is done already. So I'm just gonna toss it around, make sure it's not sticky or it's not like one whole block of rice. And I'm gonna put it in my pan where the shrimps are. And that's done for the first meal. Now on to the next meal of the day. All the ingredients I'm gonna need is salt and then Italian seasoning and tomato paste. I already put some water in it to loosen it up so it's not that thick. And then I've got sausage, and then my pasta is ready already. So I'm gonna go ahead and just prep everything and put it together. So in a pan, I'm gonna put some oil in, as well. That's how I start my cooking. And then I'm just gonna put my onions in once the oil is heated up. Um, Wait till the onions are brown. And then I'm gonna put my sausage in. Okay, here's my sausage in the pan. I'm gonna toss it around, make sure the oil gets on every inch of the sausage to get the good taste, and then until they're like smoked or brownish. And then once they're brownish, I'm just gonna, put the rest of the ingredients in. So it looks like it's in the state I want it to be in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of the ingredients in, which is bell peppers, celeries, and then I think that's pretty much about it. And my tomato paste, of course. I've added my eggs in there, and then I'm just gonna mix everything up until it looks, how I want it before I put my pasta in. So this is everything really, and it looks good already. I've got everything in. I've got my sausage, eggs, every other ingredient. So I'm gonna put my pasta in now. There goes my pasta in the pan, and then I'm just gonna mix everything up. Here's the finished look. It looks delicious and it is good. I'm telling you, it is good. Okay, now transfer them into the bowl. Okay, and then of course, red. I keep saying red sauce, hot sauce. Hot sauce or akawanga as usual. We can forget about that. That's the finished result. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.